All right, guys. Whew. We are recording. We got an insane pack opening today. We got a signature pack. We're going to save the diamond pack. We're going to use 4 of the team select. We're going to save one of those. But everything else is up for grabs. Ultimates, golds, 2 premium vintage packs, position select packs, premium packs, silvers, intermediates. And as always, it's tradition. We always got the bronze pack. We have 1,000 stars. So we are going to hopefully try and get 2 levels of mentor done today. We need 2 more pitchers, which should be pretty easy, pretty straightforward. And increase the chance of the batter getting a bat with successful stolen bases. We'll go long hit for this one. So contact, power. I should be fairly easy. We should hopefully get this done. Then the one that's going to stump us on mentor is level 10. Because, you need 5 primes, and I only have 2. So, yeah, it's kind of a stinker. But we move. Let's start with the bronze pack. That's upgrade material right there. We got 164 intermediates. Okay. We got some silvers. I also did a reroll on my Garrett Cole, so we're now going to start special training him because he's got a much better GI distribution. Look at that judge right there. Absolute beaut of a card. So, Teoscar Hernandez. Another judge. That's fantastic. Hopefully we can get more judges to get my judge to level 20. Hopefully as soon as possible. Carl Crawford. Okay. Come on, give me more Aaron Judges. Okay. We got O'Day. Okay. Perez. Okay. Donaldson, Harris. That Donaldson could be useful down the line, so we're going to keep that. Upgrades. We got Baez, Judge, Wade. A bunch of players to upgrade. Let's see it, Baez. Come on. Okay. Aaron Judge, we got 2 cards for you. 16. Dang it. Okay. Come on. Dang it, man. Dang it. It's all good. Tyler Wade. Nice. Yes, sir. We got you. You can go a little 18 if you want. Dang it. Oh, okay. Nice. McGee. Come on, it's the same year as well. There we go. Let's check in here. We need 90 stamina and 85 fastball. Do any silvers have the chance of breaking that? Nope. No, it's not a fastball. Oh, he will. He'll break fastball. Lock him up. Nice. If we train them up, then we should be all set. O'Day is all set. Special upgrades. Let's do it. Garrett Cole. Players. Special training. Auto select. Bop. Should be all. Alright. Nice. That actually makes it so much faster. So we're gonna train these guys up. It shouldn't take that long, but we need Freeland to get to 80 stamina. There we go. Come on. We actually want stamina here. Wait, oh, it's 90 stamina. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh my god. Fuck. That's actually a lot of stamina. Well, we can train the fastball guy up. But that stamina is actually going to stump me here. Shoot. Fastball. Come on. We need 6 to fastball. We haven't got any yet. Bruh. 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 You know what? For the sake of you guys, I'll do mentor off camera so you guys aren't sitting through that. So, let's just get back into it. We got 64 intermediates left. Nothing there. Give me some more Aaron Judges. Carlos Correa. That's a nice card. Chris Bryant. Euclid. Okay. $14 more. That's a nice Freeman card. That's a nice Hendricks card, but he has every stat but fastball. Fine. Okay. 4 intermediate vintage player packs, and we got a gold. Oh, he's got 82 stamina. Oh, okay, we're gonna be using him. We got 30 silvers, hoping for a prime here or anything special. Come on. Okay, nothing from the first 10. Let's see, can we use any of these guys? Can use that Chapman for fastball. That's great. Come on. Okay. Ooh, use that Verlander for the fastball. And that Richards. Nice. We're getting some pulls now. Come on, baby. Let's see. Okay. And so no primes. That's kind of sucky, but it's all good. Buxton, do you want to go to level 12? You don't. Wow. All right, Wang. How does Wang have 100 stamina? Please someone explain that. Chapman. He does. Nice. Who were the pitchers? It was Richards. It was Verlander. And it was the vintage. And that's all. Boom. Ooh, okay. Come on, let's see what we got here. Put these guys away. And that's... Ooh, okay, we just wasted all that room. Fuck. I'm not trying to waste stars because I need it for this. Alright. Position select packs. Who do we want? We want Rizzo. Let's see a diamond Rizzo. The gold. Okay. Oh, no, we actually need starting pitching. We need starting pitching for that stamina. Just in case Richards doesn't make it all the way to 90. Rodon, ain't gonna do it. Greinke? That's a solid card right there. Definitely be useful. Come on. Okay. To gold. Oh, okay. It's not that great of a gold. Alright. We will do the premium vintage now. Because the likelihood of anything good is extremely unlikely. See? Yep, it's nothing. But the 85 overall vintage is looking real nice there. So, oh, okay. We got 61 of these packs. We'll use the 11 golds first, obviously, because gold are shit. Any primes? Nope. Anyone with high stamina? You got nice power. You know what? We're gonna do mentor now, so. I will cut out all the training. So guys, I will see you back when I have all the mentor training done. Alright guys, so we have our first guy here. We're hoping to get him to 85 stamina. I'm not really at the point where comboing vintages will be a good margin for me, since free to play and the legends, I mean, there we go. Also with that stamina, we just wasted unnecessary points. Let's see. Jack Flaherty, are you going? No. Who was a good one? Oh, Verlander. Yep, Verlander's a good one. Let's see. Fastball. Is that 84? There we go. Verlander's all set. And that means, guys, we are all set with Mentor for level. What is this? Level... This one. Huh? What do you mean? He's got 90 stamina. Oh, he's locked. That's why. $400 stars. Iron Arm is now applied. We are going to be going this one right here. Bah. Alright. We're flying through. Okay, so now we can special upgrade the rest of the guys to Garrett Cole. Here we go. Alright, guys. 60 premium player packs left. Team select first. I'm sorry. Let's see. Pineda, can you use that for upgrade material? Nice, that's also upgrade material. Love to see a judge. That's great. Give me another judge. Bruh. Trevino had such a better year, man. He deserves a better card than that. Like that's just embarrassing, man. Like, how do you give a guy like Jose Trevino, who was an all-star, a 64B? Oh, Trevino, man, that did you dirty. They did him dirty, man. They did Jose Trevino dirty. Bro, Judge, you... I just want the best for you, man. Let's start off with these 61 premium player packs. Hoping for at least one diamond or a prime, hopefully. Anything decent for hitting-wise. Ooh, vintage. That's pretty nice. Well, we got no diamonds so far. Let's see. Upgrade material. Oh, that Sunoka is useful. Oh my god. It's actually down bad. Oh, 31 left. We're halfway done. What? 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 Nah. This is tapped. This is tapped. This is tapped. Are these silver packs? What? Wow. Okay, premiums. Okay. Wow. Okay. Oh, we got 10 ultimates. Let's see. We got at least one. We got 3. You know what? That makes up for it. Right there. That makes up for it. Let's see who we got. These 2 are nice. Oh, yep. These 2 are nice. Simmons is nice. You're nice. You're trash. And last but not least, we got the signature player pack. Let's see who it is. Please be a Yankee. Please be a Yankee. Please be a Yankee. No way, bro. Chris Sale, welcome to the squad, bro. You're going to be waiting in the bench for a long time until I get another sig pack. Because I got a Sig Lindor, but that's really all I got. So, we got... he's got triple threes, too. Oh, no, he doesn't. Okay. Well, he'll take out bench players. We literally just got bench players, man. 79. Yeah, he's going to be way better. Okay. Ooh, no he's not. What the fuck? No he's not. Okay. Well, guys, so that's going to wrap it up for today's video. A bit of a letdown, but... Oh, wait a minute. We got a lot of guys for this. Post that. We need primes. Special upgrade. I might only do silvers. Because like I low-key want to kind of combo the golds. And see what we get for the combo luck. Let's just see what we get. I want to see some Yankees players, some Yankee diamonds. That Jose Barrios will be nice, though. I can't even lie. We just wasted a diamond. Good job, man. Okay. Brandon Nimmo when he was garbage. Ooh, nice. We missed out on 7 diamonds so far. Potential of 9 diamonds to be missed out. We did. Nice. Fucking god. We got Chad Green, so I can't lie. Wow. I'm actually kind of upset. Grade. We got 2 Sigs. We can do a Sig combo. I don't have enough stars, though. Do I? I probably don't. I probably don't. Let's just see. 1,000 stars. Nope. I'm not going to be having that for a long time. This one door is nice, though. And this sale is nice. I mean, this sale isn't a bad card. It's just a shame you won't get the... That is actually a nice sale card, though. Well, guys, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And stick tuned for more, because we have more pack openings every Saturday. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.